This is a quick peek on a test I'm going to do. I've got a ball bearing in the front of the motor, and I've also drilled and fitted a ball bearing for the rear. And I'm having to put some spacers in this one because this is made for the brush with the extra pad on the back, and I don't have one. This one is more for the flat ones, but in any case, I'm going to set this up, space it properly, and then see what it does. I don't have ball bearings on these wheels. I had my ball bearing chassis, but I mailed it to Jim for his review to look at and see what else he wants to do. And he's going to try to build a ball bearing chassis. I'm working on the motors, so together we should have a ball bearing engine, which would be pretty neat. All right, I'll report back later when I get this thing built and we can test it out. All right, bye.